Hey guys, I'm Mark Steele, the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. We're based out of North York, Ontario, but serves clients all across the province. And today's video for home sellers is all about preparing your home for sale before actually bringing potential buyers in to take a look. Now, the very first tip I want to mention is staging. Not every home has to be staged, but we always recommend it for homes that are vacant or the homes that may have a lot of older furniture or maybe a lot of clutter in the apartment or the home. So, as a reminder, Justo Inc. actually includes the staging service at no additional cost for all of our sellers. So you can keep that in mind. And the very next tip that I have is decluttering your property. If you have a lot of personalized pictures on shelves, maybe a lot of personalized items in cabinets or closets, or maybe you have a lot of your own stuff just all around the property, I'd always say reduce those so that anyone coming in to take a look can imagine their own belongings, their own possessions in that space. And the very final tip for now is to consider the curb appeal of your property as well. If you haven't mowed the lawn in a while, this might be a great time to take a look at that, or any potential pruning for flowers or bushes in the yard as well. So consider those points. If you have any other questions, take a look at the Justo ebook on the justo.ca website, or contact me directly for more questions and answers. I'm Mark Steele, the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage, and we'll talk to you very soon.